Well, hello my friends. Welcome back. Today is the day. We are doing the drawing for whoever gets to win this. And I do want to make a special thank you to Kristen Vandersloot and Nick Schultz for they commented on every single one of my videos, and I really appreciate their support. Everybody else too. I appreciate you too, but I just want to make a special call out to them because they commented in every single video, and I really appreciate it. But no further ado, I know we took a long time to build this, and you probably are curious who's gonna win. Just so I'd let you know, what I did was I just wrote down the name of everybody that made comments, and put them in this jar. I was going to do a drawing out of this jar, but as you can see, it's kind of full. So I'm going to dump it into this, and we'll do the drawing out of that. And that way I can mix it up a little bit. I really hope you guys like this. You've seen all the mistakes that were made, so don't expect perfection, but I really do hope that whoever wins this likes it. All right, so let's see. Drum roll. It is Kristen Vandersloot. I thank you, and I hope you like this. Please leave an email address in my comments, or I'm going to try to get in contact with you other ways. But if you don't hear from me in like the next little bit, leave an email address so I can get a hold of you, and I appreciate that. Again, we're going to do more of these drawings. This is not the only one, so if you didn't win this time, we're going to do it again. I am going to put a little bit of a hold on videos for a second. I have a shelf that a coworker wants to build, so I'll show you that, but otherwise I'm going to hold this for a second. What I want to do is I want to make a woodworking school structure. Instead of doing just random projects, I kind of want to structure it so that you have if somebody's beginning woodworker, and they can kind of follow along and progress logically instead of just throwing yourself into a project. This is a pretty simple project as far as joinery goes, but it does have multiple types of joinery. So I want to do it kind of step by step. So I'm going to kind of figure out a syllabus and kind of follow along with that. Starting right from what tools you need to buy, how to take care of those tools, on up. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to get that organized. I also want to get a website set up for it. So if you don't see a video in the next couple weeks, that's why I've not stopped making these. I want to organize myself a little better. I've just now started doing YouTube videos, so I didn't really know how it was all going to work out. I did enjoy this. I'm glad for everybody who's watched, follow along. And again, I know you didn't win, Nick, Kristen did, but between the two of you guys, you're most of these names in here. So one of you two was probably going to win. And I'm going to do more videos, but I really do appreciate everybody. And thank you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.